Hey friends, Reddit here, and today we're working on this circus machine again. If you remember the last video, we got it together, plugged it in, and it didn't do diddly squat. So, I'm gonna spend a little time on it. I got these schematics and the manual. So I'm gonna read through here, read through the initialization sequence, see what's happening. So there could be a number of things. I just went through everything, and so everything was kind of in a random state. So the coin unit may be in a state that it can't read based on the plugs down here or something. But anyway, I'm gonna read through it, make sure I didn't blow any fuses, because the general illumination should come on, you would think, once the hold relay kicks in, based on this switch right here, or the on switch. I'm gonna make sure that it's making good contact, just see if I can get it at least to start resetting score reels, or at least get the score motor to run on its own. All right, so let's see what we can do, and I'll update you as I find stuff. So we have some progress. I think I may need to replace all these fuse blocks, but this is the general illumination fuse, and poke at it. The lights come on. And these ones come on. And sometimes it comes back on, sometimes it doesn't. But at least we're making some headway. So I think I figured out the problem. This is the coin door out of that other circus machine that I bought. This is the other coin door. If you look at the switches, pretty different. The jackoff that had this before me messed up the wiring. So there's that. But it works, but it's not 100%. You'll forgive me, I gotta reach down and turn the switch on, and I don't have an extra hand. Okay, so see our light bulb is working. We got 2 credits. So if I cannot drop this damn thing, push credit thing here, and lo and behold, it works. And then if we push the start button, doesn't quite reset all the score motor or the score rails, but we can figure that out later. So obviously there's no playfield in it. That might be why it's not resetting everything. I think the lights on my circuits that are flashing are out, because the one on the S there was flashing last time I played with it. So that's progress. I guess we're gonna have to take this coin door and fix it. So, and then maybe clean that fuse holder there, because it looks like it's working now. So anyway, bummer, but at least there's life. We have a heartbeat. So that gives me strength to continue on. Anyway, let me know what you think. Have you run into this nonsense before? I mean, if you look at the schematic, the one up here kind of looks right, because it's got a jumper between those. It says that white and blue there is for the second chute that's not used. and then the yellow goes over here along with the red and the white, and then the gray and the red, and everything's tied together over here. It does not reflect this at all. So I'm thinking this is correct. Obviously, since the game friggin' works when you use it. So now all we gotta do is figure out why the score motors aren't resetting, which is probably the 0 switches, because they stop when they get to 0, but it didn't continue running. So either that's part of the play field being out, or I don't know, some issue somewhere. But we'll work through them like we do. Anyway, sure appreciate you watching. And hopefully we'll get this running on to the play field repair, and then we can really start working things out. Catch you later. Keep it real. It's important.